Welcome to our channel, where we deliver daily doses of quality content to enrich your knowledge about various products. Today, we're diving into the world of technology, exploring the best Apple Watch alternatives. Stay tuned to discover top-notch options that match your needs perfectly. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and follow us on social media for more insightful updates. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Number 1. Fitbit Sense. While Fitbit is known for fitness, the clue's in the name. After all, Fitbit Sense is more focused on health than exercise. This is the standard model in the Fitbit Sense range, followed by the Sense 2, and is considered to be an extension and improvement upon the popular Fitbit Versa series. Here you'll find a portable ECG, stress sensing, a skin temperature sensor, along with sleep tracking, heart rate zones, and meditation tools for better mental health. Fitness isn't forgotten, though. This watch can track and record 20 different exercises and provides a great range of workout stats to pore over afterward. Note that you need to take out a premium subscription to use many of these features, though. Beyond that, the battery can last up to 6 days, there's onboard GPS, and you can use voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. Our sister site, Live Science, rated this smartwatch as an impressive 4.5 stars and praised its focus on mental well-being as well as physical health. It has a much larger number of sensors than the Versa and offers an AIDA scan to determine stress levels through the sweatiness of your hand. Number 2. Garmin Venue 2. Another great fitness tracker that's a decent Apple Watch alternative is the Garmin Venue 2. It's more expensive than the Fitbit Versa 3, number 1 on our list. But it just has the edge on it when it comes to battery life of 11 days, and the onboard GPS is more accurate. If you're into running, you'll love the Garmin Coach app, which helps you train for a 5K, 10K or half marathon race with expert coaching and a dynamic training plan that shifts based on your goals and performance. And there are excellent features for gym goers too, including muscle map graphics that helps you plan workouts and support for weights, spinning, heat, treadmill running and resistance machines. The Garmin Venue 2 also benefits from a crisp AMOLED screen and well-designed interface that means you can do a lot of stuff without having to connect to your smartphone. That said, if you're not into formal exercise or sport, then you may find of all this overkill for the elevated price. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. If you're not interested in fitness and just want a generic smartwatch, Samsung Galaxy Watches have a lot of appeal. However, the brand's latest model, the Samsung Galaxy 4, is not compatible with iOS. So if you want one that will work with your iPhone, your best option will be the slightly older Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Headline features include IP68 water resistance, fall detection, wireless charging, an ECG, and blood pressure monitor. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 also boasts accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer and an ambient light sensor. And although the first two watches on our list offer more sophisticated tracking, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 nevertheless provides a good range of health and fitness features. On the downside, battery life of just 2 to 3 days isn't so great. In general, then, if your priority is fitness, we'd go for one of the first two models on our list, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is a better bet for couch potatoes looking for other advanced smartwatch features. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 is pretty similar to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, which we list on number 3, but cheaper, slimmer, lighter and better suited for workouts. It comes in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and you can choose between a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi version and a pricier one with cellular connectivity. On the downside, battery life is limited, at just 24 to 60 hours depending on what you use it for, and overall the Watch 3 has more advanced features, such as blood pressure monitoring. If you're on a tight budget though, the lower price may make those compromises worthwhile, and overall this is still a really nice Apple Watch alternative. Number 5. TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS. The TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra's headline feature is long-lasting battery that promises to last up to 45 days in essential mode, and a build quality that allows it to survive the extreme. Essentially, if you have a lengthy camping trip planned or ever get lost in the wilderness, then this waterproof GPS smartwatch might be your saving grace. It also boasts a Snapdragon Wear 4100 processor, which makes everything run very fast and smoothly. It has a 1.4-inch Retina AMOLED Plus FSTN screen that offers an impressive 454 by 454 resolution with 326p density. And you can use it to track your heart rate, stress levels, step count, sleep, and progress in 10+ workouts. Overall, it offers sophisticated features like a heart rate monitor and blood oxygen SpO2 sensors at a lower price than, say, an Apple Watch 6 or a Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. In addition, it comes equipped with an accelerometer, gyro sensor, low-latency off-body sensor, and a barometer, and the app has a fatigue assessment tracker with new tick health, tick pulse, and tick exercise features.